Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to prepare uji porridge, and uji is from Kenya, so I'm going to try it and make it Jamaican style, make it my own. Okay, so let's get started. Let me give you the ingredients first. So we have coconut here, and I'm going to use the coconut juice, cassava here, pumpkin, dasheen. Normally they use cocoyam, but this is similar to cocoyam. And potatoes, pumpkin seeds, peanuts here, arrowroot here, cinnamon here, salt and nutmeg, rose water, vanilla, and condensed milk to sweeten it. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna blend my coconut first. I'm gonna add water. I had warm water because the coconut was in the freezer. This is the coconut milk. Put it in there and blend it. So we're gonna add our ingredients. This is a cinnamon stick. The water is brown. So then I'm gonna add my nuts. Then I'm gonna keep stirring because I don't want any lumps. So guys, the porridge don't have the consistency that I'm looking for, so I'm gonna put a little So guys, this is half cup of oatmeal with water. So guys, I'm gonna add my cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and salt. Rose water. Vanilla. I'm going to add my condensed milk. I'm gonna let it stay on the fire for another 10 minutes. So guys, this porridge tastes so good. I definitely will try it again. I loved it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Thank you.